Let's dive into the world of online articles. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our new lesson on types of reading materials. Today, we're focusing on a topic that you surely come across every day: online articles. They are a crucial part of our digital life and an essential source of information. So, let's dig in. An online article is a piece of writing, typically nonfiction, that is published on the internet. They can cover a broad range of topics, from news reports and research studies to blog posts and opinion pieces. Online articles are the digital equivalent of the articles you would find in a print newspaper, magazine, or journal, but they may also include multimedia content like images, videos, and links to other resources. Reading online articles is a great way to improve your English skills and expand your vocabulary. It allows you to learn about different topics, styles, and tones of writing. You can read articles on a vast array of subjects, which exposes you to different types of English usage. Plus, with instant access to news from around the world, you can stay updated on global events while practicing your English. When reading online articles, look for context clues to understand new words and phrases. Pay attention to headings, subheadings, and bold text, as they often signal important information. Also, don't forget to take notes of new vocabulary or interesting expressions, so you can review them later. To improve your English, make reading online articles a daily habit. Choose articles that interest you. It doesn't always have to be academic or formal articles. Read blog posts, news stories, even movie reviews or recipes. The more you enjoy the content, the more likely you are to stick with the habit. Remember, the goal is to improve your language skills, not to get overwhelmed. And that wraps up our discussion about online articles. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, don't be afraid to dive into the world of online articles. They're not just a window to the world, but also an excellent tool to improve your English. Happy reading! We hope you find this video helpful and informative. Stay tuned for our next lesson.